Coach, magandang hapon. Alright mga kaibigan, nagsimula na po ang ating last quarterfinal game of the afternoon as John Wilson immediately converts a 2-point shot. Tira ni De Chavez, wala.
Grabe naman yung mensahe ni John Wilson to open up the scoring here.
Andaya, kahit na hindi nakabilisan si Macmac, pero ang laki pa rin yan sa loob ng court. Kaya si Wilson na foul. No. Anong nangyari?
Hindi yata nailabas dito sa kanto.
Hindi na naman nailabas.
Pero si John Wilson na fearless on that drive, really trying to take it to Big Mac.
At pag-drive niya, nakangiti pa. Nakita niya si Andaya. Parang gusto niya hamunin. Ito ngayon, si Andaya nasa loob. Laban kay Larry Muyang. Isa pang malaking manlalaro. Off the window, wala.
Siguro importante dito para sa mga naka-asul, tumama ang mga tira ni Muyang mula sa labas to try and draw Big Mac out of there.
Correct. They go back to Macmac against Muyang. All fake, nasapal ni Muyang. And ang bola, papunta sa panig ng mga naka-asul, ang San Juan Knights. Gandang laban. Ayun, si Macmac at saka si Muyang. Ayon. Another quick player. Ito yung sinasabi mo. Pumira ng dos. Maiksi lamang. Sayang. Here's Obalde. Looking for De Chavez, the specialist. Off to the left. Rebound ni Andaya. Again, he will body up. Gives it to Chris. Mas malapit. Mahilig niya ng kanyang expertise.
Kailangan ilayo mo pa ng bahagya.
Ayon. Titira ng dos. Yes!
Ayon. Another one of those 10 shots from the outside. Tatlong abante na San Juan.
They go back to the post. Andaya, mahina tira. And Muyang will tap it out. It will remain with the white shirts. And we have a report on the San Juan Knights with Mara Aquino. Mara?
San Juan coming in here with high confidence from their last game kasi nga daw they've showed better chemistry. Mas lalo na nung na-announce yung 1 million cash prize. Ayon kay Wilson, mas na-hype up daw at nag-iba yung vibe sa ensayo. Now everybody wants to play. Now previous games, marami silang lapses sa communication. And this is something they intend to correct starting today. Nolian Magu.
Salamat, Mara. Alam mo naman, Magu, pag hindi pa naman motivation ng 1 milyon, ewan ko na kung anong motivation para sa iyo, di ba? At nakita natin yung mismong 1 milyon na nakadisplay dito po sa loob ng SM Fairview.
Ang lalaki ng bantay eh. Hindi makalapit. Ayun nasa kanto.
Gusto ko sana magpapalit kanina eh. Papapalit ko yung check ko na walang pondo. Tumira si Muyang mula sa labas na kanto. Rebound ni Andaya. Lamang po, San Juan ng dalawa o rather ng isa. Sasaksak si Ubalde, nilaglag kay Andaya. Kakalog. Rebound ni Paulo. He goes up with the left hand.
Ayun na, nawala na yung pagkapetigs ni Paulo. You see the fire in his eyes right now. He wants to crash that Final Four party.
He has had 2 offensive rebounds so far. Outside shot from Ayon. Gives the San Juan Knights back the lead. Ubalde, binigay kay Andaya. Malakas na naman. Inaalat si Andaya. Rebound, scramble. It will be a help ball between Ubalde and Ayon.
Kaninang knockout stage, yung naging chooks to go manok ng bayan player of the game natin, si Big Mac. Pero dito, sa laban niya kontra San Juan, sabi mo nga, sir, inaalat pa, pinamalas pa.
Nakita natin yung pagkahabol niya, no? Ni Ayon. And that 2-point shot, kapala is brought to you by Chooks to go. Ang nag-iisang manok ng bayan as we take a look at Chris De Chavez, finally breaking with his first 2 points from the outside.
We got a good one brewing. Tapla tayo. 3 minutes into this one.
Pagkaan ng dibdib. Cardona at Ubalde. And look at Cardona. He is intense like anything here. Ubalde, crossover, gets away! Yes, sir! 7-all is our score. Cardona naman. Inahamon si Ubalde. Now the challenge comes in. And the shot. And there's a foul by Ubalde.
Alam mo, kanina nung nakashoot ng putback si Ubalde, biglang tumingin si Mac Cardona sa atin, sub daw. Bakit hindi kami? Doon. Nanggigil siya kaya pagpasok niya, he took it right to Paulo Ubalde at binawian din naman siya ni Pao.
Hira ito. Matagal-tagal ko lang hindi nakikita yung intensity kanya kay Cardona. And it's good to see that from Captain Hook.
Look at him really body up on Ubalde here.
Ganun din naman si Paulo. Looking for a foul. Uy! Napabaksak si Ubalde. No foul, no whistle. Rebound ni Hamon and they will run out of shot clock.
Ubalde trying to shrug it off. Alam niya, Mac has come to play. He is in attack mode today.
Parang bulldog. Talagang intensity written all over his face. Here's Cardona. Slips, goes inside, turns, spins, goes up with a hook. Yes, sir!
Ito si Mac Cardona is and always has been a professional shot maker. He's showing it here on the Chooks to Go stage.
Samantala, bumawi si Kristen Chavez with a 2. Mintis ang tira nila sa labas ni John Wilson. And let's see, nahawakan ni De Chavez. Wala daw. It will be white ball. All right. 9 all ang ating talaan. 5:47 remaining here. What a game. Obalde, laban kay Cardona with a left hand. Yes!
This is mano y mano. Both of these guys going at each other.
And there's a bit of trash talking, Maguha. Hindi lang trash talking. Alam mo kung ang pagtingin, if looks can kill, murder 101 na to.
Inawat nga ng referee. Sabi ng dalawa, hayaan mo, laro lang. They both know, as long as they're under control, it's okay. Naalala na ng rep, keep it clean.
Oo. Pero yan ang kagandahan kasi ng 3-on-3 eh. Yung talagang larong kalye, di ba? Sa larong kalye nga, walang foul eh. Here's Obalde. Putting on the move with the left hand again. Alam mo yun ang problema ni Mac. Hindi niya kinakat yung kaliwa ni Paolo, and that's his strong hand.
Look at Paolo staring down Mac right now.
My goodness. 11-9, lamang ang Valenzuela, and there's the whistle. Laban kay Hamon.
Only going to be the second team foul. Both of these squads going hard but keeping it clean. The psychological warfare between these two, very entertaining.
They open up the middle. Jump hook. Tatalbog palabas, offensive rebound, and Cardona puts it back in. Lead is down to 1. 11-10. Hamon o rather De Chavez naman. Step back. Short. Ayon. Aliliit na nasa loob kaya bumibilis ang laro, Magu.
Umupo si Big Mac tsaka si Muyang.
Pinabayaan si Cardona sa labas. Mintis ang tira. Nadula si Ayon. Tuloy napunta kay Hamon. Binigay kay Hubalde. Laban kay Ayon. They want an isolation. Clear out. He goes crossover now on the right side. Kicks it out to De Chavez for an open 2. Malakas. Rebound ni Hamon. Goes the back up. That will not roll in.
Sorry miss para dito kay Jan.
Nakalusot si Cardona.
Paano namang ginawa yun? And Ayon comes up with a steal.
11 all ang ating talaan. Libre si Wilson. Wala. Rebound ni De Chavez. Kicks it out. Kay Hamon. Quick shot. Oh, what a basket from John Hamon.
Big shot after big shot.
Babawi sana si Mac Cardona pero mintis. Rebound. Napulot ni Hubalde. 3.5 remaining. 13-11. Lamang ang Valenzuela. Hamon fakes the 2. Ball fake. Goes inside. Off the window.
John Hamon catching fire. Lamang ng tatlong Valenzuela.
Cardona pinilit ang 2. Wala. Rebound napunta kay De Chavez. Jan tumira ng 2. Mahina. Tinapit papunta sa kanya. Libre. Wala pa rin.
San Juan dodging 3 huge bullets there.
John Wilson with a basket from the outside. And the lead is down to 1. Hubalde, mintis ang tira. Narito si Cardona. Under 3 minutes to go. 1-point lead at naubusan ang shot clock. Pero nirereklamo ni Mac Cardona na hindi yata nag-reset yung shot clock. So this is going to go back San Juan with 2:47 remaining and just a 1-point lead para sa Valenzuela. What a game, Magu.
Grabe yung intensity na ating nakikita. This is the quarterfinals. It is a knockout game. Winner will advance into the semis. Saan nag-aantay naman sa kanila ang Grindhouse Kings.
Can't ask for higher intensity basketball on the 3-on-3 court than this. And why not? ₱1 million at stake. And obviously a lot of posting that comes along with it among these veterans, Magu.
And yung pride, na ikaw yung magiging kauna-unahang Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3 Grand Champion, madadala mo for the rest of the time. Binanggit na ni Boss Ronald kanina, there will be a second tournament, a second conference.
And I'm sure all of these teams will beef up come the second conference as we take a look at Cardona with his trademark drive to the basket. And there's that dipsy-do move from John Hamon. Back to live action. Lamang ang Valenzuela ng isa. Cardona nilabas kay John Wilson for 2. Yes!
San Juan back ahead, 15-14.
Uy, nagawa ni Cardona. Si Paulo Ubalde.
Tumatawa na siya nung inahabol niya yung bola eh.
Here's Cardona. Jump hook again. And that will fall for Mac Cardona.
How about Mac when he is on? He is unstoppable.
Shades of his LaSalle days, shades of his pro days, and he has certainly come to play today. In the meantime, a technical foul ibinigay kay Ayon. Pangalawang beses na kasi na pinigilan nila yung paggalaw nung unang may hawak ng bola.
And masakit yan dahil lamang pa naman ng dalawa. Etong San Juan, take a look at Mac on the attack. Gets the bounce on that one.
And you can see even yung kanyang expression. He had a steal, nakangiti siya. Parang pinipersonal niya itong larong ito, no?
Pero pinagbayaran nila yung technical foul na yan. Baba sa isang kanilang abante.
Dami pa pong oras, 2:09, but I don't think the time will become relevant here as San Juan and Valenzuela battling to 21. Here's Ubalde, nilabas kay John Hamon. They have 6 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Titira na ng 2. Wala, mahina. Rebound ni John Wilson. Ayon. He's got the speed. Wilson, he's got the shot and he puts it back in. 18-15, San Juan lamang na nataklo. Ubalde, muntik na maagawan. And there's a whistle and a foul by Ayon.
Ang daming tumataga. Ang hirap ibaba ng bola dito. With a minute and 43 remaining, Valenzuela in dire need of a bucket.
Tumira si Chavez sa labas. Kumalog, rebound ni John Wilson. And this small lineup has worked well para sa San Juan. Cardona will go to the left this time. He is fouled by Paulo Ubalde.
Was in the act of shooting, so a free throw is coming up para dito kay Mac.
Alam mo, nung inilabas din ng San Juan, si Muyang, na-open up yung shaded lane. And all of a sudden, hindi makadouble kay Mac Cardona.
Ngayon, yung dalawang malaki, bigla na lang bumalik dito. As Mac is at the line. Andaya and Muyang back on the floor.
3 points away from wrapping up this game. Cardona, pumasok pa, swerte pa talaga. Tira sa labas ni Chavez, sablay, rebound ni John Wilson. 4-point lead for San Juan. Cardona gets away again. Inilabas ni John Wilson. Wala!
He wanted to go for the win.
Cardona!
They're on the hill now. Big Chavez though.
Bumawi si Chavez. They're still in the game. They only need 1 point until San Juan. Wilson will try to get the win. Cardona goes inside. There's a foul by Paulo Ubalde. Yung balikat daw ang tumama. Wala pa sa penalty.
A minute and 4 remaining in this one. San Juan a basket away from moving on.
Cardona goes one-on-one. Familiar move. Drops it off. Muyang inside. And another foul laban kay Ubalde.
Was on the pass though, so sabihin, labas lang po na yan. And that is going to be team foul number 5.
Serving for the game. Ito pong San Juan Knights. They need 1 point. 3 seconds to shoot. Wilson, napitawan pa rin ang bola. A second to go. Wala. Rebound. Ubalde, nilabas kay Chavez for 2. Wala pa rin. Malas si Chavez. Bago.
Sorry, miss sa pagkakataon na yan. Here's Mac versus Pau again.
Oh, there's a foul. Heavy hitting here. Very physical is the action.
Pagdating sa mind game, si Mac hindi mo talaga matatawaran.
Alam mo, kahit pa paano ha, tingin ko naapektuhan yung mga antics ni Mac naapektuhan yung strategy ng Valenzuela.
Kala ni Mac penalty na isa pa. That is team foul number 6. Kailangan sa 7 bago ka mag-free throw.
Sinasabi ni Larry Muyang sa pito.
Yun, pinasa ni Mac. Mali yun. And Ubalde makes it pay.
Wow. Mental lapse from Cardona. Akala niya hand check di ba? Sa larong check mo na, check. Here we go. Cardona looking for an isolation. Only 17 seconds to go. He kicks it out. Ayon. Will go inside. Libre for the win!
And the San Juan Knights will hold off the Valenzuela Classic. Ayon saving yung miscue ni Cardona.
What a game, Magu. What a game. One of the most intense games we've seen on the Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3 basketball floor. And right now, papakilala natin ang ating best player of the game. Sino pa ba? Captain Hook, Mac Cardona, with that familiar shot, leading his team to the semifinals. Siya ang ating Chooks to Go Manok ng Bayan player of the game.